everyone, this is Javin Amara and welcome back to my channel. Today I am in a Zentai suit for the first time and me and my pup are going to try these body stockings. If you guys have seen my short film Cocoon, you know that I used a nude color one. However, I haven't been able to find that one. Don't know where it is, which is super sad. So I got 3 more in different colors. But before we get to that, go ahead and click that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you know when I have new content out. I post and premiere a new video every Saturday at 1 p.m. Pacific time, and every other week I also live stream. Don't forget that I have 2 membership tiers here on YouTube. Go check those out. I have my own custom Mara emojis on there, as well as exclusive foot and leg content. Follow my Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok at Mara Damine for daily news and juicy updates. All right, so I'm not sponsored, but we are gonna test out these awesome bodice stockings. And today, I guess we'll start out with this one. Packaging's pretty cool. I'm gonna start out with the nude. Okay. Good. Everything is nicely packaged. It's really tough to open these BTW with gloved fingers, so I'll do my best. Wow. So my last one wasn't this like tube-like, but it makes sense. I found the opening. Let's crawl inside it, shall we? Oh no, I hear the electricity rubbing. This looks really creepy. This looks like a second skin. Like, Hannibal would be proud. All right, maybe I should do this on the floor just in case. All right, get in here. is pretty cool. This is what it feels and looks like from the inside, which is so fun. I don't know why I didn't try this out before I did Cocoon last time. But yeah, this is the nude one. Let's try the other colors. How do I get out of this? Where's the hole? Okay. Okay, it's a little tough to breathe in there, but I don't think you would suffocate. Next, we've got the black one, and that's unraveled. Cool. Looks a lot smaller in my pup's hands, but the other side is the opening. Had to get a tickling in. You look good. Should just leave you here. Okay guys, this is the last color. I'm like super jazzed about it because it's a pink. Here, give me your hand. You're gonna grab that end. I'm gonna grab this end. And this time we're gonna see if this one actually holds both of us at the same time. So, you go first because I wanna make sure that this goes over you. Like you have a little nightcap. All right, sit down, I suppose.
No.
Sit down. Well, okay, but like put your feet out so that you're actually inside the whole thing. feet are almost in. Wow. Everything looks so different from in here. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Comfy and cozy and really warm. But yeah, we did it. This is actually fun. We should do this more often. I don't know why we didn't spend quarantine like this. Okay. Okay. Ah! Okay, everyone. Let's see. Let's get you out of this as well. Actually, you could stay in there. Just turn 90 degrees and sit yourself behind this. Yeah. Okay. Everyone, thanks for watching. If you like this video and all of my weirdness, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Share it so that other people can try out these Cocoon nylons. If you guys want to try them out, I will have a link from Amazon down below for your convenience. And go ahead and click that subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so that you know when I have new content out. I post new videos every Saturday and live stream every other Saturday at 1 p.m. Pacific time. Don't forget to follow my social media at Maradomina. And until next time, be safe, have fun, and keep it cozy, everyone, and kinky. Okay, now let's get you out of this thing. Ooh, the pink actually looks really good on you. On the white.